I'm Miranda, and like everybody else, I've spent the past few months quarantined at home. I have been going a little crazy, so when a friend invited me on a backcountry camping trip, I just couldn't resist. Good morning, friends! Today I am on my first ever backpacking trip, and already we are so excited. The drive over here has been so much fun, and already there's a waterfall and it's just so beautiful. So let's see how the adventure goes. How you doing, Justine?
I'm doing great.
How you doing?
Great. Doing good. Snacking on some protein bars.
We made it past the really scary part. That's the only scary part, right?
No, I don't know. The heights is the best part.
It's like the worst part for me. I can't. I like to see the trees and to be out in nature, but I can't do the heights or the cliffs.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me.
It is now 12 o'clock. We've been hiking since about 5 a.m. and we ended up doing a trail that was a bit more difficult than the one we had originally planned, but it's been beautiful. Getting pretty tired though. I do hope that we'll make it to our destination soon. I also seem to have lost Justine. I don't see her behind me.
You made it!
Woo! You did it! We decided to stop for lunch. We were hoping to make it to a lake, but we are so exhausted. My legs hurt, my throat hurts, my shoulders hurt. It's time for a break. What's for lunch?
Tuna and crackers.
How are you feeling?
I'm exhausted, but it's worth it.
And now we're chilling under the tree.
And there, I was just really hungry, and I was like, that was
a nice mini nap we all took. But now it's time to keep moving on.
Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy.
It's my first time ever filling up a water bottle out of the natural water. So I have a life straw. See how it works. It looks dirty.
It's totally fine.
Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me.
A long day of hiking. We are exhausted and I feel like I can't walk anymore, but we have finally made it. Woo! And look at where we are. So here's our tent and look at the view. Now it is dinner time. Justine always makes these amazing gourmet meals for us. Justine, what'd you make tonight?
So I made Spanish rice and Spam. It's delicious.
It's gourmet compared to the meals I make when I'm camping by myself. It's better than the tuna we had for lunch. And I had for dinner last night.
Now you are someone I rely on.
Good morning, and sorry if it's a little blurry. The camera got a little cold, but look at this view. Today should be a relaxing day. The plan is to just chill by the lake and try to enjoy nature.
Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field.
How is it, Justine? It's cold, but it's great. Where's the fish? Where's all the fish?
Are you gonna catch one for us?
Catch them for dinner tonight.
We had a peaceful morning relaxing by the lake. We had the whole place to ourselves. We didn't see anyone else all morning until this guy showed up with a sword, then an axe. Once they noticed us sitting there, they told us that this whole stunt was actually for their podcast, which is called Backpacking in Blisters. We ended up talking to a guy named Rocky, who was very, very nice, so make sure you check out their podcast, Backpacking in Blisters, and also their YouTube channel where they're going to release this whole video that they just filmed. We were having such a great day down at the lake. It was hot, we were tanning,
And it started raining.
and then the rain came. So now we're hiding in a tent. Oh my gosh! And Justine is going to go out there.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, here we go.
Here goes nothing.
She's so brave.
It's snowing.
Justine is back, and she says that it is snowing.
It's snowing outside.
Is it hailing? Is that hail or snow?
I think it's hailing.
Oh, it's hailing. It's hail. Correction, it's hail. Still crazy though. Oh my god.
Ow, it hit me.
It has finally stopped raining, so we are going to go explore a little bit and see what we could find.
And the lions everywhere, darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss.
We had such a fun time exploring around this area. The rain did come back though, hard, but that didn't stop us from exploring. We just had a really great time. However, I'm expecting a cold and rough night. Good night. I'll see you in the morning.
Like ivy crawling up the wall, we need to feel the
Good morning. We just woke up to the most epic sunrise. Last night was freezing, so we were so glad to see this beautiful view. We were so lucky to have both an epic sunrise and an epic sunset last night. It is time to start our journey down the mountain. Hopefully it does not take us as long going down as it did coming up.
Oh, can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly,
It started raining on us while we were hiking. And we lost Justine. We don't know what to do. We see Justine. There she is in her poncho. Woo! Justine, you're alive.
I am. I look like a fish fillet.
in another life.
We finished our hike. Yes. Justine hurt her knee pretty badly on the way down, so it was kind of hard to get down, but I think she's okay now. The rain also came back, which is why I'm finishing this in the car. It was an interesting trip full of adventure, new friends, and great memories. It was such a great first backpacking trip, and I'm really glad that the people I went with were so kind, so adventurous, and so fun. So thank you, Justine and Sarah, for an awesome time, and Justine, I hope your knee gets better. We are driving home now, so I will see you on the next adventure.